The ESPN app crashes in Android phone issue usually occurs when trying to start the app. This is usually caused by several factors including corrupted app data, outdated app, or lack of phone memory. To fix this you will need to perform a series of troubleshooting steps. In this video, you will learn how to fix the ESPN crashing issue on Android smartphones. Things to do first, restart your device. Make sure your phone is running on the latest software version. Make sure the ESPN app is up to date to the latest version. There are cases when corrupted temporary data stored by the app can cause this particular problem. To fix this, you will have to clear the cache and data of the app. Take note that the exact steps might differ for your specific device model. After performing these steps, the app will be reset to its original state. Try checking if the issue still occurs. If you are still facing the issue, follow the next step. There's always the possibility that the problem is caused by a corrupted game installation. If this is the case, then you should just simply uninstall the app, then download and install a fresh version from the Google Play Store. After performing the steps listed above, you will successfully fix the ESPN app crashes in the Android problem. That's it friends, thanks for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to subscribe and support our channel.